All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HUC, our universal cord. So today we'll be working on this mid-fade. Watch it very well. Make sure you follow, like, comment and share. Don't be stingy. So the first thing, you create the first guideline by closing the blade together. That is lever close. Join the blade together, close it together to create the first guideline. Follow it accordingly. Texture it very well. Do you understand? Once you carry it up, then you skin it very well. Please share this video. Don't be stingy. Share it. Let other this video, if it don't help you as you are seeing it, it may help somebody else. Please share this video, please. After you have created the first guideline, the second guideline is going to be on low cut level. You open the blade, that is lever open. You open the blade to create the second guideline. Follow it accordingly. Remember that whenever you are creating a guideline, make sure you texture it very well. Let it go accordingly. Watch how the hair grows, the texture of the hair. Make sure you're brushing off the hair. Look at the way my hand is moving. Texture it very well. After that, after you have created the second guideline, the third guideline is going to be on step one. Step one, close the blade a bit. Then you create the third guideline, which is going to be the final blending before you blend the hair down. Use step one. Watch how I'm doing it accordingly. This is tutorial purpose. Please share this video. Follow me for more. If you want a thorough teaching, a thorough tutorial, go to my YouTube channel. Then the third guideline, you're going to use what? 1.5 guard to create the blending shape, the way you want the shape to be. After you have used it to bring it down and finish, you use your step one to blend it down. Please share this video. If you want a tutorial from beginning to the end, a longer video, go to my YouTube, High Universal Cut. That is where I do a long tutorial video where I teach everything that you need to know. Do you understand? So what the way my hand is moving, what do I'm brushing it? See, we are not yet done though, but see, the shape is coming out, the blending shape is coming out. Then after you have blended it finish, you raise your hand upward, you flick it. Look at where I'm doing it. Watch how my hand is moving. Please watch it very well. Please, the only thing you can do for me is to share this video. I want other people to learn from this. Nobody is perfect. I'm not perfect. And if you see that I'm not doing it very well, please correct me in the comment section, please, so that I will learn. We are all learners. Nobody has the basket of knowledge. Do you understand? So please watch how my hand is moving. Share this video, I beg. Please share it. Let other people learn from this. So after that, you put it on normal low cut level to brush it down. See what I'm doing, guys. Watch what I'm doing. Please watch what I'm doing very well. After that, see where you put it like as if you want to barb low cut, as if you want to cut low cut. You blend it down. Remember that hair differs. Some people have strong head, so when you are blending it, will look as if it's not blending, but take your time and blend it accordingly to blend. Watch how I'm doing it. See, can you see that I'm not going up again? I've stopped it the level I wanted. So you see I'm doing it now. I'm only blending the tips. So after that, you raise your hand upward again to clean the lines up. You know, when you created the first guideline, there was line there. Second guideline, there was line. That place that you created it, that you stopped it, there was line there. So this is your time to, this is the time for you to take time and clean up those lines. Can you see? This is raw theory and practical. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn your notification bell on, so that whenever I post a longer video that you learn everything, you'll be notified that High Universal Cut has posted. So can you see what I'm doing? This is the last time that I'm using to clean up the lines. Can you see it? Please share this video, please. I want this video, I want other people to learn from it. I want other people to learn from this video. Please don't be stingy. Freely you are receiving, freely you should share, please. So after you have done it like this, finish, you still bring it. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see it? If you watch this video finish, see, once you are trimming the hair, make sure you put it on that low cut level. Do you understand? Because even if you're a professional, you can still put it on that low cut level, because anybody can make a mistake. Your hand might shake, or you might look around now, your hand will chop up the hair. Do you understand? So take your time. Make sure you follow it accordingly. It's very simple and short. Go to my YouTube, my Facebook, High Universal Cut. Subscribe, follow, and make sure you share this video, please, and follow me for more.